नेशनल कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ से राज्यसभा सांसद प्रफुल्ल पटेल की हाल ही में बायोग्राफी लॉन्च की गई है। इस खास मौके पर बॉलीवुड से लेकर उद्योग जगत की जानी मानी हस्तियां मौजूद थीं। चलिए सुनवाते हैं आपको क्या कहा इन हस्तियों ने इस खास मौके पर प्रफुल्ल पटेल के बारे में।
His power to sustain relationships. He is always there when you need him. You make a phone call, and it doesn't matter, right, whether he was an ordinary MP or he was a minister or now he is with all his achievements. And I think that is one quality that I really admire about Prafull. I sometimes wonder where he gets the energy. He is there at every event, every function, every party, every political event. So Prafull, I really, and I'm sure that most in the audience would have also done that. You have to share with us how you do that and how you do that with a smile.
For me, I have bonded with Prafull over football, and I must compliment him. I don't know whether many people know that, but for the first time, India's ranking in football from 173 has moved up to 100. Oh. And that is credit to his leadership of AIFF. So compliments to you, Prafull. I also have to say that I've known Prafull when he used to come and meet my father-in-law. And then Mukesh and Prafull are like brothers. And now Akash and Prajal are like brothers too. And I'm really fortunate to have now his grandchildren studying in my school. Oh. So this has really moved generations, Prafull. Thank you for...
And most importantly, for a great heart. You've always been there for your friends and been a great supporter for everyone across the length and breadth of people you meet.
I think he's unreasonably good. You can have one quality, or you can have two qualities, or three qualities. You should not have all the qualities. It's not fair. Now, here is a person who is friendly, warm, intelligent, wealthy, well-placed in politics, extremely sociable, popular, and handsome. This is not done. It's not done. I mean, you should leave something for others. Prafull bhai, it is a fact that whenever I enter an airport and whenever I land, you make me feel proud that I am an Indian. Thank you very much for that. Parties come and parties go. Governments come and governments go. But I do wish that in every government of our country, there should be at least one Prafull Patel.
जिस प्रकार से प्रफुल्ल भाई ने काम किया है, और मैं तो उनका पहले से प्रशंसक रहा हूं, और जब भी एविएशन मिनिस्टर के रूप में उनको कोई कार्य देखता था तो उनको एसएमएस करता था और उनका जवाब भी मुझे आता था, और कभी कोई चीज़ पसंद भी नहीं आती थी तो उनको मैं एसएमएस कर देता था और उनका वापस मुझे जवाब आता था कि हम इसको ठीक करेंगे। लेकिन प्रफुल्ल भाई, अभी जो बात यहाँ कही गई वो बात बिल्कुल सही है। एक मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पर जब विदेशों से लोग आते हैं मुंबई में, और जो 10 साल बाद, 5 साल बाद, 7 साल बाद मुंबई में आए हुए हैं, ऐसे लोग आने के बाद मुझे बधाई देते हैं कि मुंबई का एयरपोर्ट आपने कितना सुंदर बनाया। तब मैं उनको कहता हूं कि मैं मुख्यमंत्री ज़रूर हूं, पर इसका श्रेय अगर किसी को जाता है तो प्रफुल्ल भाई।
आपको बता दें, प्रफुल्ल पटेल राज्यसभा सांसद होने के साथ साथ ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशन के प्रेसिडेंट भी हैं। नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज रूम से गायत्री गुप्ता की रिपोर्ट।
Subscribe now to receive new updates, reviews and news.